Learn the best ways to achieve affiliate marketing success. The world of affiliate marketing is very vast and exciting. There are so many ways that one can enter and use their knowledge of this field to help promote their own business. It depends completely on the individual. That said, no matter what your marketing skills are, here are some tips to help you. Recording videos demonstrating a product can greatly increase your amount of customers. Once you develop loyal followers of your marketing videos, you can then sell the affiliate content more assertively. If you create engaging and informative content, customers are much more likely to develop an affinity for your product. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. You should check often to see how well banners, text links and recommendations are doing. If you find that one is doing better than another, you should change your tactics so you can yield maximum profits and sales results. Checking these statistics quite often will increase your earning commissions. Only link to affiliate sites with products that you believe in. If you link to sites that do not sell quality products, you may break the trust of your readers, which will lose you the people that you rely on to keep your site up and running successfully. Readers will know an affiliate link when they see one, so use your best judgment when placing them. Nothing destroys a visitor's opinion of a website owner faster than a concealed advertisement. This does not mean that it is impossible to satisfy visitors and engage in affiliate marketing. The honest webmaster is simply honest and transparent about it. Visitors should always be made aware when a website gets money for endorsing a particular product. They rarely resent a straightforward advertisement as they do a duplicitous one. When looking into an affiliate marketing program, make sure that you look into one that will be able to provide you with the most current statistics. You may have to do a little digging to find this. It is important that you know exactly what is going on within the company so that you can have the proper information as a manager within the program. Affiliate marketing is a fascinating and exciting world that is only limited by the extent of a person's product and budget. There are many possibilities, products, and techniques. Start experimenting to find something new for yourself or to learn something new that you can better for your business. Become a better affiliate marketer by using these tips. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.